Hey guys, Abhi here, and in this video I'm going to unbox the Huawei Mate 10 Lite. So as you can see, the Huawei Mate 10 Lite comes in a white box, and this box actually reminds me of my Huawei Mate Lite box actually. Both of the boxes look pretty similar. On the Huawei Mate 10 Lite, Huawei design is written on the left and the right side with the PTS stamp. And on the bottom of the box, we can see the color of the phone and some other information. So let me unbox the Huawei Mate 10 Lite. So the phone is in between the two boxes, exactly like the Huawei P8 Lite. So let me put the Huawei Mate Lite to the side. This blue color looks pretty good actually. So let's take out the smaller box. And inside the box we can see the Huawei warranty card and other documents, and there's a case and a screen protector as well. So this screen protector is pretty good actually, as it has oleophobic coating, and you will not find many screen protectors having that oleophobic coating, so that's pretty good. This is an expensive screen protector. And this is the case that Huawei provides. This is a white transparent case. This is a hard case actually, not a soft one, and I think it will get a bit yellow over time like other cases. So taking out the larger box, there's the SIM ejection tool. This is pretty different from the ones we get typically in a Huawei box. So this is an accessory box obviously, and inside it we get this Zong 4G card. This has a like 4GB package or 12GB package in that card, I don't know. And then there's the micro USB cable, and this is the power adapter. Let me see the voltage and ampere rating. So this is a 2 amp charger and 5 volt. So I've heard that Huawei has updated the charger that comes in their box. Previously they used to ship the 3-pin charger which had a power rating of 1 ampere, but this one has a power rating of 2 ampere, so this is even better. And this is the earphone. Earphones are pretty cheap actually. These earphones look pretty cheap. Huawei usually ships better earphones in the box, but I don't know why they shipped this. So let's get this stuff out of the way and let's get to the phone. So the blue color of this phone looks pretty good actually. This is my favorite color out of the 3 colors Huawei Mate Lite comes in. Black looks pretty good too, but this is my favorite one. And the plastic wrapper says 5.8-inch display and some other information. And as you can see, this blue color looks pretty good actually, and the phone feels pretty light. For this large of a phone, this feels pretty light. And the metal of this phone is pretty cool at the moment, I can feel it. And the phone is pretty solid. The blue color looks really good, and that shiny camera module looks pretty good too. I don't think this phone looks really like a budget or a mid-range phone. This phone looks like a 40 or 50,000 PKR phone. That would be around 400 to 500 US dollars. It looks pretty good. A very solid design. We've got the micro USB port on the bottom of the phone and the power button and the volume jack on the right side of the phone. There's nothing except the SIM tray on the left, and then there is the mic on top of the phone. The headphone jack is on the bottom of the phone. So that's the fingerprint scanner and the dual cameras on the back. Huawei logo, only the Huawei logo and the earpiece and the dual cameras on front of this phone. So let me apply the screen protector on this phone now. So guys, I've applied the screen protector on my Huawei Mate Lite and I can see a minor few bubbles, but I'm pretty sure they will go away over time. And let me boot this phone up. That's the Huawei logo. And the EMUI 5 boot up screen. Okay, so the phone has booted up now. So let me decrease the ISO. So now let's set up the phone. Skip, agree, user experience improvement project, join, okay, Wi-Fi plus service, disagree, and weather service, agree. So let's connect to my Wi-Fi. Let me type the password. Okay, so I've set up my Wi-Fi password. Let me go to the next screen. Okay, so I guess I have to set up my Google account now. Just let me enter my password and email. Okay, so I've set up my Google account. Backup and storage, next. Protect your device, set screen lock style. Okay. Okay, so I've entered my password. Should I restore my phone or set it up as new? Okay, I must set it up as new. And it is asking for my Huawei ID. I do have one, so I won't skip this step either. Okay, so I have logged into my Huawei account. Let's agree to the terms and conditions. Data transfer, skip, I guess. Enable cloud, of course. Agree. So this is taking a lot of time, so let me fast forward some of this.
In the chaos I see the bliss, in the mayhem I see the abyss, just when you needed them the most. They're just ghosts. In the chaos I see the bliss, in the mayhem I see the abyss, just when you needed them.
And we have set the phone up finally. So this is the EMUI. This is what you are going to get. And the wallpaper looks pretty good actually, and I do like the icon style of EMUI. This is not the best icon style, but I still like it. So if you do not get the same icon style as me out of the box, you can set that up in the themes manager. Let me check the camera now.
I obey all your desires, but you let me burn in the fire. Spend my days trying to impress.
Okay, so this is a pretty sharp pic actually. I do like its camera. Let's check if there is any shutter lag. Okay, shutter speed is fine. Not very fast, not very slow. It's fine.
In the chaos I see the bliss, in the mayhem I see the abyss, just when you needed them the most. They're just ghosts. In the chaos I see the bliss, in the mayhem I see the abyss, just when you needed them the most. They're just ghosts.
So this is the Huawei Mate Lite, guys. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, do give me a thumbs up, and peace and assalamu alaikum.